Hello friends, so today we will be working on another Java program. This is part of a playlist where we are uploading a few Java programs in order to practice Java, as well as those are important interview questions. And like by practicing those questions, your hands will get dirty, and this will help you to form logics of other questions as well. So let's work on this program today. And if you have any program that you want me to explain, let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely upload a video on that. And I will also keep uploading videos of important interview Java programs as well as other important programs that you should know. So in this one, we are going to work on a program where we have to group words based on their length. So if you see this, so we are given an input array. So array is cat, bat, mat, TV, AC, pillow. So these are all the words that are present in the string array. So what output we need is, if you see cat, bat, mat, all of these words have length equal to 3. There are 3 letters in these words. So I want the output to be 3, and then the group of those words, array of those words which have length equal to 3. If you see TV, AC, they are of length 2. So they should be grouped together with value 2. And then this one does not have any group, that's the only one left. So with the length is 5, and there's only one word in the array with length 5, which is pillow. So what we have to do is, we have to group the words in the array based on their length. This is the kind of output that we want. So we will try to solve this problem. So if you see, wherever you want two kind of inputs, see, we are associating length with an array of words having same length as given. Okay. So suppose here we have three, and then we have an array which consists of cat, bat, mat. Okay. So we are grouping words based on their length, and there is one, you can say, key, and there's one value. This could be our key 3, and this is the value. Basically, a group of words having the length as 3. Now we have 2, and then that is our key, and then we have values. TV, AC is the group of words associated with the length 2, and then we have 5 and pillow. So you see, there are key values. So output we need in the form of key and value pair. And whenever there is key and value pair, we will use HashMap. Okay. So we will be solving this problem using HashMap. So let's jump into the program. So first I will create a class, new class. Let let's keep the name of the class as group words based on length. Okay. And I will add public static void main 2. Okay, so first we need an input array. So our input array is, let's keep the name of the array as A double R. I mean A double R. And then we will initialize our array. So the values are cat, bat, mat, TV, AC, and pillow. Let's close the braces and give a semicolon. So we have initialized our array. Now, so now we have to return a hash map containing the key, which is the length, and the values, which is the number of words having that length. So we will be returning a hash map. and that hash map will be of type. So our key will be of type integer, and our value is of type. It could, you can say it is a list, right? It is a list. So let me keep the value as. So we will be writing list of string. Okay. So here, if you see properly, this is our key is integer, and this you can consider as a list of string. Okay. So this is what we will be returning, and let's take the that return value be stored in MP, and here we can create a function group words. Okay, in group words we will write our logic, and to this function we will pass our array. Okay, so I will import hashmap from java.util package and list2 from java.util package, and group words it is saying there's no method currently, so we will create that method. Okay, so here it is created. Now, once we get our output in the MP, that is the length and the group of words having that length, we will print it. So, for printing, we will use a function entry set. Okay, so entry set will give us a set of keys and values. So, so So our empty dot entry set basically it returns us a set view of the key and value pair, and each value is of type map dot entry. Okay, so we are using for each loop here map dot entry, and our parameters are integer, which is our key, and value, which is our list of string. Okay, we can give the name of each value returned by the entry set as value, and then colon mp dot entry set. Okay, so we have created a for each loop. Mp dot entry set will return us a set view of each value in the map, and each value is of type map dot entry, and these are the arguments. Now this each value map dot entry, we can extract key and value from the each value that we got. Okay, so we can write. Okay, so this each value, in the each values we can extract the key and value. Okay, get key. Then we have to put a semicolon. Let's put space also before and after semicolon. Then mp dot get. Oh, sorry, not mp, values dot get value. Okay, so our main method is ready. So we will get the output in the form of a map, and in from the map we are extracting a set view of each value in the map, and from that we are getting the key and the values. Now let's write the logic. So here we will be returning our map. Okay. So first let's create a map. which is of type integer, and the argument is, I mean, the value is of type list of string. Let's give the name of the map as grouped words, and then with a new keyword, we are creating that map. Okay, so our map is created, and this is the map that we are going to return. Okay, now we have to store our length of the string and the value associated with that length. Basically, the words having that length. We have to store key as the length and the value as the group of words having that length. So for that, we have to first iterate through the array. So let me give any name. Let's give value, or you can say give word. Okay. So not int, it is a string. So our array is of string type, right? So we are extracting each word from the array of string. This is our array. Okay. So this loop will give us each word. Cat, bat, mat, like that. So first point we will do is we will store the length of the word. Okay. Word dot length. We will store the length. Now we will check if that length is already present in the hash map. So initially it won't be present. So we will check if mp dot contains, no, sorry, my map name is grouped words. Grouped words dot contains our length. Contain key. That is the method. Contains key. Okay. So we will check if already three length is present in the map or not. Initially, it will not be present. So let's check if it is not present. Okay. If my um, map does not contain that length, then what will I do? I will add that length. So I will, okay. So I will add the length, and the value I will add will be just an empty array list. I will just create a array list as the value. Okay, let's import the array list as well. Okay, so if my map does not contain the key, in the map I will add that key, and the value of that key will be an array list. Which array list? An empty array list. Array list does not have any value. Then I will come out of that. So I added, my first word is cat 3. So I added 3, and so my value currently will be added 3 and an empty array list. Okay. Now I will come out of this if condition, and what I will do is then I will add the value. So map dot get. Okay, group words dot get key. Key is my length. So if I do group word dots get length, what it will return? It will return the value associated with this key. So value associated with 3 is empty array. Okay. In that empty array, I will add my word, which is cat. That is the first word, right, of the array. Okay. So now, if I from the second statement, it will be cat. Okay. Now, if for the second word, that is bat, it will get the length which is 3. So now, does our map contain the length 3? Does our map contain any key where value is equal to 3? Yes, it does. So it will not go into if condition. It will come out and it will get the value of key which is equal to 3, and the value is this of key that is equal to 3, and in that value it will add, which is an array list, so it will add that word, so it will add bat. Okay. Similarly, now my next array value is mat. So it will get the length of the word mat, which is 3. Now it will check if my map contains key equal to 3. So it does. So it will skip this if condition, and then it will get the value of key, which is 3. It will get the corresponding value of key equal to 3, because our length is 3, and the corresponding value is cat and bat. In that array list, adding in array list is using add function. You can, using add method, you can add the value in a list, so it will add the word in that list, which is mat. Okay. Now my next value is TV. So the length of that word TV is 2. So it will check if the map contains key equal to 2. So map does not contain any key equal to 2. Map contains only one key, which is equal to 3. So what it will do is it will put that value, put that length in map. So it will put 2 and value as a new array list. Okay. Now it will come out of this if condition. It will get the value of 2. The value of 2 is an empty array list, and in that empty array list, it will add that word, which is TV. Okay. So it added TV. Now our next, now the loop will go for the next value, this array loop. Now the next value is AC. The length of the word AC is 2. Does our map contains a key equal to 2? It does. So it will skip the if condition. It will get the value of the key equal to 2, which is TV. And in that value, it will add that the word which is AC. Okay. Now our last value is pillow. So the length of the word pillow is 5. So does our map contains key equal to 5? No, it does not. So it will go inside the if condition. So it will put this value 5 and an empty array. It will come out of the if condition. It will get the value of key equal to 5, which is an empty array. In that, it will add the word, that is our pillow. Okay. So in this way, we have formed the hash map and we are returning that hash map. So now my hash map will be stored in MP variable, and with the help of MP variable we are getting each value, that is this first and then this one and then this one. So in the first value we are getting the key, which is 3, and then we will put a colon and the space before and after, and we are printing the value, which is an array list. Similarly for 2 and similarly for 5. Okay. So now let's run this program. Let's save it and let's run it. So we got the value. So you got the correct output. It will be square brackets. Only in case of map output, we have curly brackets. In case of array list output, we have square brackets. Okay. So I hope you understood this program. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.